I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and more, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out the participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be making Rocky Road Fudge. This is my daughter's favorite, and I'm making this for her for Valentine's Day. I'm going to go see her for Valentine's Day, and also we're having the baby dedication at her church for her new baby. Our little grandbaby will be 5 months old when she's dedicated. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is 1 bag. I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And I already have 2 tablespoons of butter in this bowl. Now I'm just going to add in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can. Now we'll get this to the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute. I just took this out of the microwave. It was in for 1 minute. I'm going to stir it up. As you can see, it's really starting to melt. It already smells wonderful. That vanilla has heated up and the chocolate, and it smells fabulous together. All right, now I've mixed it. I'm gonna put it back in the microwave 1 more time for 1 more minute. And then we'll stir it again. I've just taken it out a second time. It was in for another minute. And now I'm gonna give it another really good stirring. It is really melted this time. We want it to be nice and smooth and glossy, so just keep stirring it until you know everything is completely incorporated. Depending on what type of bowl you use, your bowl might be very hot when it comes out, so just be careful about that. Okay, now it's all mixed together. As you can see, it is so glossy and shiny and smooth. And now we're going to add in our pecans. I have about 3/4 cup of chopped pecans, and I'm just going to fold these in. And then I have about 1/4 cup I'm going to put on top just to garnish the fudge so that we can see exactly what's in there. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some marshmallows. Just add as many or as little as you'd like. It's up to you. It's completely up to you what you like to put in. You can even make this fudge plain and just have a really wonderful, delicious plain fudge. Don't forget to save some marshmallows to put on top. Just fold them nicely so you don't tear them up. You can even turn the bowl and just fold it right over itself. That's why I like to put a nice little hot pad, a little trivet right underneath, and that way it makes it so easy when I turn the bowl. It's not clanging or scraping on the countertop. It just turns right around. Okay, everything is mixed together. And now I'm gonna put it in this baking dish, and I have a piece of parchment paper here. I'll just scoop it right into the baking dish. You'll want to work nice and efficiently before the fudge starts setting up. Now that we have our fudge spread out, I'm just going to sprinkle some pecans, chopped pecans right over the top, and then I'll sprinkle on more marshmallows. And when you put the marshmallows on, just go ahead and press them right down into the fudge. That way they don't fall off when you go to cut it. They'll stick right down in there and they'll stay right in place. If they're too close together, just pull them up and move them around a little bit. Now we're all set to put this in the refrigerator, and we're going to chill this at least 2 hours. I've just taken the fudge out of the refrigerator and I'm going to lift it right out of the pan. It'll lift right up with the parchment paper. I pulled the parchment paper down, and now I'll just cut some nice big squares on the fudge. As you can see, it is just loaded with beautiful marshmallows and nuts. I have the fudge all packaged up, and I'm going to get it wrapped in the container. I put a plastic bag inside, and I'll get this put in the freezer to keep it as fresh as possible for when I go visit my daughter tomorrow. I'm so glad you're here. I had such a wonderful time participating in this awesome collaboration. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.